Hello, my happy little friends. Today I'm drawing Bluey with a cute hopping bunny by her side. It's going to be a story full of laughter, carrots, and fluffy fun. Before we start, tap the like button so Bluey's bunny can hop even higher. The morning sun glows brightly, and Bluey runs outside to play. She spots something small and white hiding behind a bush. What could that be? She whispers curiously. Give this video a like if you love finding surprises in your garden. A little rabbit pops out, twitching its tiny pink nose. Bluey gasps and smiles wide. Oh wow, a bunny! The bunny tilts its head, nibbling on a flower petal gently. Tap like if you think bunnies are super cute too. Bluey crouches down slowly, trying not to scare the bunny. Hey there, little one. Do you want to play with me? She asks sweetly. The bunny blinks, then hops closer to her paw. Press like if you'd love to have a bunny hop to you like that. Bingo comes running from the porch with a basket of carrots. Bluey, look what Mum gave me, she says excitedly. Bluey giggles. Perfect timing, Bingo. I think this bunny is hungry. Give this video a like if you'd share your snacks with an animal friend. The bunny sniffs the carrots and starts munching happily. Its little teeth move so fast that Bluey bursts out laughing. Nom nom nom, says Bingo, copying the bunny's eating sound. Tap like if you've ever made funny animal noises too. Dad walks outside holding a watering can. Whoa, who invited this fluffy guest? He asks with a grin. Bluey points proudly. We did, Dad. Meet our new friend, Mr. Fluffy. Press like if you think that's the best name for a bunny. The bunny finishes its carrot and begins hopping around the yard. Bluey and Bingo chase after it, their laughter filling the air. Catch him if you can, yells Bingo, running in circles. Give this video a like if you love playing tag in the garden. Mum watches from the window, smiling warmly at her girls. She steps outside with a small towel and a bowl of water. Make sure your friend drinks after all that hopping, she says kindly. Tap like if your mum always takes care of your little games too. Bluey gently places the bowl near the bunny. The bunny drinks slowly, its ears wiggling with every sip. Bingo whispers, he's so polite, Bluey. Press like if you think polite bunnies are the best bunnies. When the bunny finishes, it hops into Bluey's lap. Bluey strokes its fur, feeling how soft and warm it is. I think he likes me, she says softly, smiling from ear to ear. Give this video a like if you'd smile too when an animal cuddles you. As the sun sets, Bluey waves goodbye to her bunny friend. See you tomorrow, Mr. Fluffy, she says sweetly. The bunny wiggles its tail and hops toward the flowers. Before you go, tap the like button if you believe every friendship, even with a bunny, is full of love and joy.